In this video, we're going to show you how to install the distributor rotor on your Jeep Wrangler located inside the distributor. Using a 13mm ratchet, gear wrench, anything you have, go ahead and loosen that. Pull that off and do the same for the positive side here. Drop that off. Now locate your distributor here, the cap. You have your wires going to the top of it. And on each side are going to be 2 screws holding the distributor cap in place. Now we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to go ahead and loosen the cap screws. It's always a good idea to go ahead and spray these down with some rust penetrant. They can get rusty, and then the bad side is that they can snap and break off. You don't want that to happen. So go ahead, loosen and remove both of these screws. You can see the distributor cap is loose. You can just pop that off and set that aside. In the top center right here is the rotor. You're going to grab that, pull it straight up. Pull it off and set that aside. I'm going to take your rotor, and this is key. The shaft on the top has a notch in it, and that lines up with a tab on the inside of the rotor itself. So this can only go on one way. You're going to line that up, press that down all the way, make sure that's fully seated. Take your distributor cap, line that up. And once that's lined up, you're going to feel that lock into place. Go ahead and install the screws securing the cap. Once you have those screws lined up and got it in a few threads, and go ahead and snug those bolts down. Now once those screws pretty much bottom out, you're all set at that point there. Make sure you do not cross thread these either. Make sure they go in nice and smooth. Once that bolt bottoms out, just a hair bit more. You don't want to crack the cap. You just want to make sure that it's snug. Give it a little wiggle. That's good. Don't forget to reinstall your coil wire here, otherwise the vehicle won't start at all. Push that on. You're going to hear it and feel it snap into place. You're all set. Install your battery. Pop the terminals on here and tighten them down. Snug it down. I'm going to go ahead and just give those a little wiggle, make sure that the terminals are snug and not loose. Once you've completed that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.